Hello Cougars! Today I'm going to show you how to do the SuperMatch college search on Naviance. So first you want to log into Naviance. Then over on the side you should have something that looks very similar to this. You're going to click on I'm thinking about it for colleges. Then it's going to show you this screen and you're going to go over here to where it says quick links. Go down to SuperMatch. Okay, so now that you're in this area, you're going to start creating your criteria. So this is what we talked about in the kind of the idea of what you wanted to have for your school. So if you go over to where it says location, you're going to choose a location. So let's say I'm wanting to do something Midwest, so I'm going to click on Midwest. It starts giving me kind of options. I can click on like small city, a couple more options, go over to academics. Let's say I want to go for my bachelor's and I'm choosing to do it in education, so I'd start writing education as the computer catches up to me. Education. Let's see. No, I don't want to do that. Let's do sure, we'll do early childhood education. So that tends to be like for elementary school teachers. And then let's go over to admissions. So let's say we want to have higher admissions rates going on. So like my chances are being a little bit better. So I have a 3.5 as my GPA. So you can see up top here, they start to give you like ideas of what they've got out there for you. Okay, and then let's go to my student life. Say I'm in choir, and it'd be really cool if we had some cultural awareness going on, clubs like that. That would be awesome. Let's say I do want to be a part of one of the Greek life, and I want to be able to study abroad eventually. So see how it's just slowly bringing down the criteria. So it's like getting you closer and closer to what you really want. I want my school to be co-ed, and this would be amazing to have schools that are very open and loving. We'll put in all of it, why not? And we'd go over here. So it's just slowly, I don't want 2 years, I want 4 years, I don't want private, I want public. So it just slowly kind of brings it down so you get more of exact what you want. Let's say for sports, I want to get some basketball. Let's do basketball. Why not? It doesn't really matter what kind. I don't really care. Okay, so then you guys are going to go down here. So now I have all of these must-haves, okay? You can also do nice-to-haves if you would like to, but I think with that you would just, oh, okay. So we'll go down. So I don't have 100% matches here, but that's okay. What you can do is you can just start searching through them. So it says why. So why is this my fit? And you can go down and it kind of tells you. So it's a very close, so it's the location is a close match, but all of this is a yes, it's none of these. But that kind of like tells you a little bit of why this is as close to this match as they could get. And then it gives you some highlights, so you can like click on this to get a virtual tour. Over here, it'll show you, here, one second. Over here, it shows you like what you want to look more into. So let's say I want to look more into, let's say student life. So then it kind of breaks it down for you there. So that's kind of nice, and this, you can compare them all. So what we want you to do, you guys, is choose about 5 of these that you can look more into, okay? So from here, this tells you the name of the school. You're going to choose that. You can go over here and you can put favorite. So that's how you're going to just kind of choose them to have that done. So I'm going to do that now. Let's say these are my favorites, favorited. I'm going to say no thanks right now, but you can always push connect to learn more about them. And then you can always pin to compare. So if I wanted to compare that one versus this one, that's what I would be doing. But like I said, you guys, what you're going to be doing specifically for this assignment is just finding 5 that you think would work best for you. Okay? All right. If you have any questions, feel free to click on that help button on our homepage and let us know. Have a good day. Bye.